Good afternoon, everyone. Today I will show you our another workshop. In this workshop, we can see all kinds of zig machines. Zig machines are usually used for alluvial gold, manganese, diamond, tin ore separation. These are the parts of zig machine. Polyurethane screen frame on the top of the zig machine, on the top over there, because the machine is too high so I cannot see. Here is the spring and discharge mouth, gearbox and motor. Big model zig machine and small one over there. For more detail, please call me. Bye bye.